Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Purecarrot Flawless Face Cream. Purecarrot Flawless Moisture Surge Facial Cream contains SPF20 and Vitamin A that helps in gradually fading aging lines on the face. This product targets hyper-pigmentation and dark marks, thereby fading the appearance of discolorations. It is also infused with UV filter to protect your skin from the sun. It also serves as a facial moisturizer that keeps your skin glowing all day long. The carefully formulated face cream is engineered to give you an amazing skin. It is also designed for sunny tropical weather and dark skin types. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.